Ever wondered how some social media accounts rake in massive followers and sales without ever showing a face? This is the power of faceless digital marketing. Today, we're starting a new series all about faceless digital marketing for beginners. Let's go over how to build a thriving online presence without revealing your identity. But before we start, remember to check out our library of faceless content and templates for you to get started. Check out our description or the link on screen for more details. Let's get started. What is faceless digital marketing? Imagine crafting a compelling online brand without ever showing your face. That's the essence of faceless digital marketing. It's about connecting with your audience through captivating content without relying on your personal image. This approach offers a unique advantage in today's oversaturated digital landscape. Why go faceless? You might be wondering, why would I hide my face? Well, there are some great reasons. First, it gives you the privacy you need. You can separate your personal life from your business, enjoying the freedom and peace of mind that comes with it. Second, it can be scalable. Your brand isn't tied to a single person, allowing you to expand your reach without limitations. And finally, it offers all the flexibility. You can experiment with various content formats and styles without being confined to a specific persona. Real-world examples. Let's explore some successful faceless digital marketing examples. Some you might not have even realized. Meme pages are a classic example. They tap into the humor of their target audience, building a loyal following without revealing the creators' identities. Niche content pages are another great example. These pages focus on specific niches like fitness, finance, or fashion, providing valuable information and engaging content without the need for a personal touch. Getting started with faceless digital marketing. Ready to start on your faceless digital marketing journey? Here's a roadmap to get you started. First, choose a niche you're passionate about or have expertise in. This will help you create content that resonates with your target audience. Next, develop a solid content strategy. Determine the types of posts you'll create, how often you'll post, and how you'll seamlessly integrate your products or services. Finally, set up your social media accounts. Create profiles specifically for your faceless brand, ensuring there are no personal identifiers. Remember, building a successful faceless digital marketing presence takes time and consistency. Focus on providing value to your audience, engaging with them authentically, and experimenting with different content formats. Faceless digital marketing is a powerful strategy that can help you achieve your online goals without compromising your privacy. If you understand its benefits and follow the right steps, you can create a thriving brand that resonates with your target audience. So, are you ready to get started in the world of faceless digital marketing? Hit that like button if you found this video informative, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.